Free money is literally sitting in your neighbor's backyard, and they don't even know it exists. Most people think real estate investing means buying a rental property and hoping for the best. But successful investors are playing a completely different game. Here's what they actually do. They start with the 1% rule. Your monthly rent should equal at least 1% of the purchase price. So a $100,000 property needs to rent for at least $1,000 monthly. This filters out 90% of bad deals instantly. Next, they master the BRRRR strategy. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. You buy a distressed property with cash or hard money, fix it up, rent it out, then refinance to pull your initial investment back out. Now you own a cash-flowing property with essentially none of your own money tied up. The real pros diversify across property types and locations. They might own single-family rentals in affordable markets, a duplex in their hometown, and shares in a commercial real estate syndication. This spreads risk while maximizing cash flow opportunities. But here's the secret sauce most people miss. They analyze deals based on total return, not just cash flow. A property generating $200 monthly but appreciating $10,000 yearly beats one generating $400 with no appreciation. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to find the perfect deal instead of finding a good deal and making it perfect through smart management and strategic improvements. Successful investors know that real estate wealth isn't built overnight, but it's built every night while you sleep through compound appreciation and cash flow. Start small, analyze everything, and remember that your first property is just practice for your 10th.